This is Allie with US Classic Muscle Cars, and we have found this amazing 1969 Nova. Now, you tell me, is this a Yenko or a replica? I'm Allie, and we're here with US Classic Muscle Cars, and we are at the Mecum Auction, and I am here with
Glenn Hammock.
Glenn, all right, tell me about this beautiful car we have here.
Well, we have a 69 Nova Yenko, and it is a clone car, but only you and I would know that because this car is done what we would call concourse quality, and it is so real that everyone comes up and says, "Oh, real car, wow!" But it's not. But it is so close, whether it be horsepower, whether it be the 427, 4¼ horse, and M21, the correct heads, the 840 heads, all the way down to the rear end being a 1210, 410 posi. I mean, the car is flawless in every way, whether it be the deep paint or the underneath carriage.
Yeah, it looks like it. Speaking of horsepower, can you tell me a little bit about that?
Well, the horsepower in this was something that Don Yenko would do. Back in the day, us guys would buy a Nova, which was nothing more than a grocery getter for mom and pa to take the kids back and forth to school. In this case, he came around with the idea of super tuning the cars, whether it be a Camaro, whether it be a Nova Chevelle, and so us horsepower guys would buy the car, basically have it shipped to him, and he would do it our way.
All right. Does the wife get to drive the car?
Oh, she gets to drive the car.
All right, all right.
The truth of the being is that most ladies can outshift the guys any day of the week.
All right, sir, and what about this paint job? What can you tell me about that?
Well, it's a base coat, clear coat. It is so thick and so deep that most people can't imagine how it shines.
Oh, it is stunning, I'll tell you that. And has it won anything? Any different trophies or anything?
No, to be honest with you, I've not owned the car that long. It came from a divorce scenario, so we won't go too deep into that. But my buddies and I, we love cars. We stay together, our camaraderie, if you will, by buying cars and fixing them up to the standards that you see here.
That's awesome. And about the restoration, how long did that take?
This restoration actually was about a 3-year restoration, and long story short, it started in Chicago, ended up in Minnesota, ended up with a friend of mine, and then ended up to me. And so we put kind of the final touches to it, you might say, and brought it to the show.
All right, and all right, well, thank you so much for your time, and good luck at the auction.
Well, thank you so much.
Take care. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you for the next video.